Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I just got a new TV. It's the Toshiba 32-inch smart TV, and its model is 32 L56 Pro, and designed in Japan. Okay, and now let's take everything from the box. Okay, now that is everything inside the box. We have the user manual, the TV stand, the TV remote with the battery and power cable and the AV cable. Okay, after we install the TV stand, and now let's check a closer look to the bottom of the TV. So here we have the two speaker here and power button, and there are the display screen, display LED here, and here is the Toshiba logo. And here is the front view of the TV after install the TV stand, and the back view of the TV. So we have the two USB port, one HDMI, antenna input, and the audio and another connection here. And here is the another HDMI and LAN cable connection from here. Also this one we got one audio connection 3.5 millimeter. That's why it gives you inside the box with this cable, so we can just connect to that audio port with this connection. So it have the fuse protection inside the plug-in socket. So this TV have a good protection than another TV that I used to buy. So we just plug it here, press it harder inside this AC input. Okay, now let's try to input the power supply to the TV. Okay, and the TV remote, it look like this one. It's so much bigger than another TV remote. For example, this one is my Samsung smart TV remote, and this is my Sony. I think my Sony is bigger than another, but now the Toshiba is break the Sony with the size is bigger than the Sony TV remote. Okay, so now the size doesn't matter, and it provides with two AAA battery. And now let's try to operate the TV. Just turn it on, and you will see the Toshiba logo is coming, and the LED is become green. Okay, now when we first time open it, you will see a logo, and then we now get welcome by the TV, and you just press OK to confirm continue. The OK button in the middle of the remote control, and then now just select language. You can have the option to choose. Okay, I prefer English. Select on it, and we have two options. The store mode is for display at the store, at the shop, and home mode is we use for our home, so mostly we go to the home option. And this time select your country, any country that you want, and just press OK. And now select your time zone. You can select it manually or set it to auto mode, and now just set it to auto mode. When you connect Wi-Fi, it will auto your time zone. So we just go to next. So now it's time to connect your Wi-Fi network. Just go to wireless connection and select on it. And now it refreshing to your Wi-Fi network. Just select one Wi-Fi network of your home. Select on it and enter your password. Just press OK button, and then you will see the menu pop up. Input your password. Okay, after input your password, you can just press this blue logo. Okay, and now just press OK button. And now it's connecting to your Wi-Fi network. Okay, after that, just press next. And this time you can auto tuning. If you connect the TV antenna, you can just select this antenna logo and press OK on it, and the TV will auto tuning your channel. So now I did not connect it yet, so I want to skip this tuning. And now we are ready to use the TV. Okay, and now we try to see some manual. Just press the home page. Just press the home button, and you will see the menu pop up. And here is as I show you. After it connect to the internet, it will auto the date and time, and your wireless signal display is poor, and because now I am in the room. And now we try to play one app. It's a YouTube app. Play a YouTube video. Adjust volume. Okay, and it worked. Okay, and now let's go to browse some feature. So we have the favorite and function, media player, input selector, manual, screen mirror, and another option. Too many options. So I will make another video one by one in the next time. And today video it's in by this option. And thank you everyone for your time watching this video about the unboxing and first time setup of this Toshiba Smart TV 32 inch. And thank you everyone for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.